over some of the trades I took quite recently. All proof of executions for these trades are going to be on my Instagram. The link is going to be in the description of this video. But yeah, let's go ahead and just start working our way back. So yeah, we have April 6th, we had shorts on NQ. Coming into the day, what was I looking for? We had these highs right here, which we put in an SMT with YM. Oh, that's messy. Okay, so since we're on this 1 minute, we're not gonna be able to like scroll around too much, but that's fine. So we put in an SMT with YM, and what does that mean? Simply put, YM took out this high. So there was a high put it in the market at 9 a.m. and YM went ahead and swept those highs, while as you can see right here, we did not take the highs on NQ. So this is just letting me know that we have a sell narrative, a sell direction that we want to take sells. So while I'm still within my time frame for trading, we start breaking structure, especially with this very big and very prominent displacement candle, sell side candle, right? We put this in right there, we break structure, then we have a fair value gap. If you don't know what a fair value gap is, the 3 candle sequence, which the second gap leaves a gap. So from the bottom wick of the first candle to the top wick of the third candle, right? So we have an inefficiency right here. And as you can see, what this price do, we rebalance that inefficiency and go and proceed to dump / go to the next draw on liquidity. So we have these lows right here, but we also have these intermittent lows right here, right? These literally lows that exist right after the move was induced. And some people call this the low-hanging fruit, whatever you want to call it. That's what I'm really targeting for 1 to 1.5. And yeah, just like that, we hit TP. So that was today. Then we have a trade on March 31st. Where is our New York session? There we go. All right, cool. So New York session, March 31st. The trade that I took was around right here. Okay. So this was my trade. TP was supposed to be somewhere around here. Our entry was a little bit higher. Let's say like right here. And then stop loss was like right there. And by the way, like I said, proof of these entries are on my Instagram. It's gonna be in the description, so you can go check it out. Just so you know I'm not making any of this stuff up, right? But yeah, so long story short, how did the trade play out and why do I regard it as a win? Our direction for the day was sells. This trade played out like this because we ended up taking TP right around here at this line where you see this line at. So I don't need this right there. Okay. I don't need that. Yeah. We took TP at around that line, and why? It was very simple. This trade played out based off of SMTs. ES went ahead and took the lows before NQ. So we took this low that I was looking for. We already rebalanced price, and then price decided to manipulate higher before it went ahead and dumped. But that didn't matter to us because we were out of our position right at this bottom of this wick right there, okay? As far as the direction for the trade, pretty sure I don't want to really go up in time frames just so we can stay within here, because then it's going to look choppy if I go up. But we had some form of direction, right? We're sweeping higher time frame liquidity because that is how we find our direction. We know how market moves, right? Market targets liquidity and balances imbalances. That's literally what it is. It fills imbalances and targets liquidity. So we probably swept the high time frame liquidity, and we're looking for price to then distribute downwards. And that is my direction for the trade. And like I said, this trade played out pretty same, right? A lot of my trades, I'm taking them off of fair value gaps. So as you can see right there, we went ahead and retraced this fair value gap. And then, like I said, ES went ahead and took those lows prior. So we fully exited our position, and rightfully so. Now for the last one, we got the 30th of March. Okay, let me change this to New York session instead of 12 a.m. Let's go. New York session my time, which is 8:30 a.m. Okay, perfect. So coming into today, we swept high time frame liquidity on a 4-hour, right? This was our higher time frame gap to get rebalanced. So we swept liquidity. We're looking for price to reverse, and same old, right? We take liquidity, we want price to fill in an imbalance. We have our fair value gap right here. And what this happens, And what happens, price goes ahead and taps our fair value gap. As you can see, we are targeting these intermittent highs. We are getting good risk to rewards based off of where we take our entry at. And just like that, we hit TP yet again. And overall price fills out that imbalance that we were looking for price to go to before what continue its way down, just as expected. So that is the 3-day trade recap for the 30th, the 31st, and April 6th. And guys, we don't trade every day. That's not our job. Our job is to trade when markets present an opportunity. And that's what we're doing. We're doing a very nice job of that so far. So yeah, let's keep going. Plenty more days and months left in the year. So we're definitely looking to, make some magic happen with this, right? But yeah, I'm gonna be stitching the Jamaica trip to this trading recap. So whatever order I ended up putting it in. That shit was a blast. Now I do apologize, I did not get the best clips. I did not record the best because I was enjoying myself for the most of the trip. But we will be recording more and more. We're trying to get more consistent on the YouTube shit, but we'll get to that. So just enjoy it as much as you can from the clips and the videos of the Jamaica trip. And yeah, if you have any questions relating to trading, you're trying to get better at trading and all this other stuff, guys, go to my Instagram, make sure you follow it at Vic Trading. Right, it's gonna be in the description. And yeah, let me know what else y'all want me to make, any other content style videos, anything y'all need help with. I'm gonna go ahead and make videos on that and just help y'all out any way I can. And yeah. All right, Jamaica trip today. Step 1, getting picked up by Amir.
It's probably gonna feel like 30.
All right, so we're in HEB right now. We finna get like a couple things, just some snacks and shit, and then we're gonna be on the way to Jamaica. I need like some lozenges. Hopefully I'm not sick. Nah, not hopefully. I'm not sick. I need some allergy medicine. That's what it is. But yeah, we're gonna get that, and we're gonna be on the way.
Isn't it Victor wanna be like me? That's why you got the black cap with the gray sweater. It's all good though. My nigga Alex, you jump in, girl, here we come.
Alright, so we can head out. I'm gonna see y'all on the plane.
And ladies and gentlemen, United Airlines welcomes you to Montego Bay, Jamaica.
I sold it.
Alright, so we in.
Where is this? The camera, it'd be some crazy content like mine in Jamaica.
We in the land, bro.
Yo, this shit look like Nigeria, bro.
What's going on? That's not
It's not that.
When I tell you this nigga Vic was scared, this when the plane took off, the turbulence, this nigga Vic went. Hey, I swear to God, we got a lot more this dude Vic was tripping, bro. We can't get crashed out. Bro, I be forgetting the wheels is on the right side, not the left. All right, so we gonna get picked up,
and then they drive on the left side.
Where we staying at, and we're gonna let y'all know where we're going.
All right, we here, bro. We just got to the little villa, little B&B or whatever. So we're finna get situated, and then once we do that, we'll figure out what we're doing today. I'm pretty sure we just going to the club or something. And yeah, once we do that, we're green. All right, it's my little room. It's low-key tough. Calm little airport fit, nothing too crazy. But yeah, so we're gonna just get situated and figure out what we're doing for the rest of the day.
Perfect.
All right, so a little update. I sold y'all a little bit, bro. So we got done getting ready. We went and hit up this lounge. We got some wings and a little bit of some yeah. But now we finna fade another club, I think. But guys, it's finna get turned over the week, for real. So yeah, let's get it. All right, guys. So due day, we hit the club. We got a little wasted, not really. But so yeah, so right now we just chilling, watching some TV. We finna plan out what we doing today. Looking at some Price action from Friday. Just some chill shit, nothing crazy. I'm not trading on this week. We're on vacation, right? So we gonna chill and enjoy the vibes in Jamaica.
Perfect. Perfect.
So, new day, it's raining outside. We're supposed to go to the river, but that's probably gonna have to get pushed back. So instead, we're gonna get some work done. I got a meeting in like an hour, so we're gonna get ready for that. Just get a drink and some shit, but yeah, it's pretty chill. Got a lot of shit planned still. We still got a lot of shit planned. We hit the club yesterday, that shit was turned. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, get some work done. Hit that meeting in like an hour, and we good to go. All right, we hiking. Random day. It's kind of raining, so all like our real activities we gotta wait. But we hiking right now. I low-key should follow them, but it's low-key dangerous. I only got these slides on, but just a little view. But yeah, damn, they all the way over there. All right, bet. I'm gonna try to go up a little bit more, but my only thing is that my slippers. This is not the best footwear for this shit. But we can't be no bitch. We gotta make it to the top. Just like the rest of our peers. I'm gonna pick this shit back up when I get to the top. Gotta make sure we don't fall. And I got me a little stick in case it's a dog or some shit. So, we still going. Whew. We still going. I'm coming, bruh. You know my leg don't work the same, bruh. ACL injuries. I am. Hey, I'm the physics nigga over here. I know. All right, we got up a little bit more. Let's see what it's looking like. Fuck. All right, we gonna go more. We're still going. I don't know how the hell these people be getting all the way up here. Cause it's like, there's no road. So if you got a car, you're not getting up past over there if you got a car. So that's kind of crazy. I'm gonna drop my stick right here. Right now, it don't look like it's no dogs, but all right. So I got on slides. This is not optimum hiking attire or footwear. But we gotta get up there. Guys, this is why you can't be afraid, bro. Imagine if I just stood over there, cause I was scared. Not scared, but I was doubting that I could do it because of the footwear. You gotta take these risks. I took that risk and we up here. And there's still some shit to go. You gotta catch up to them boys. Damn. All right, let's go. This is low-key my not first time. They got some random ATVs, but they look crashed. Might be up for grabs, shit. God damn, them boys descended. I can't even see them no more. All right. We finna meet up with them in a little bit. Damn, hey, how high are we?
Oh my God, it's low-key tough up here. Guys, we all the way at the top. It's low-key tough over here. You can see you kind of see a little shoreline over there. Kinda. Hey, what's up? What city is that? What's over there? So we drove, we was already at the edge.
Yeah.
We got little highways over there. Hell no.
Yeah, because we went this way.
I don't think so. All right, so we about to go back?
Yeah, nigga.
Hey, let's shoot some reels or something. We ain't come up here for no reason. Let's invade this nigga crib. All right. So we taking a walk. We're going to the beach or some shit. I don't know where we're going. This is the first day where the sun actually came out.
The sun will come out.
We're supposed to actually have plans, but
tomorrow.
Our tour guide don't even know what he's doing for real.
Yes, I
So ain't no still good. We supposed to have done like 5 different things by now, but all we did was hit the club, bro. So hopefully the beach, I mean, it's not gonna be nothing there, but if it is something there, we take our shit by foot. What? Word 2, I know this nigga got us lost, bro. Average fucking Maurice activities, nigga. We can't even see where we came from. I'm ready to swim. We gonna swim like this.
Just take our pants off.
Literally, we walk back in our drawers, nigga, we good. All right, we made it to the beach. It's not a regular beach, it's just some side shit. We really just chilling right now. We're gonna go to the real beach. I wanted to, probably on Thursday, where it's like people and shit. It's more like some shoreline shit. But hey, this house over there is kind of tough. I wish I could show y'all. All right, we getting a little too deep. I think this is how it starts. No. I almost fell back. I almost fell back in. Alright, we in the mountains. We finna hit some activities. Nah, I got you. What you want me to record?
Record yourself for everybody. That's those boats out there.
This shit fast, bro. We're going up this bobsled. It's like we can't drop our phones, bro. This shit's going hella fast. But hey, it's pretty fun, I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna get to this top, we're gonna drop. Oh my gosh. Amir already lost his hat. I don't know if you can see them niggas. I can't drop my phone, bro. Alright, we're gonna get back. Slim dog. Alright guys, so we ended the Jamaica trip. Still got some more nightlife stuff to do probably tonight or tomorrow. But now we're getting food. We just came from the beach. Hey, I got into the ocean for the first time. It's just some new experiences, right? So when we're done with this trip, we're gonna get everything sorted out. But yeah, it was pretty fun, man. So just stay tuned for what's next. All right, so the Jamaica's trip is almost over. It's gonna be bro's birthday in like 45 minutes. So we're trying to see what this is a play going on for tonight. All right, guys, last day. We got our bags packed. We're finna head out. Jamaica trip. It was a blast. Had a lot of fun. Can't wait to get back and get things going for real. But yeah, appreciate everyone here. We got Maurice, Amir. Shit really over. Bro's coming back tomorrow. We're leaving today. Yeah, hey man. All right, I'll catch y'all at the airport. All right, so we're done. We're going through the port. We're finna hit the gates. The trip is officially over. We're gonna get on the plane and we out of there, bro. So we're gonna catch y'all in Houston or probably on the plane. And yeah. All right, guys, trip over. We at the airport. We're finna get picked up. Mike picking us up in the Beamer. Mike gonna pick us up in the Beamer and we out of here, man. So I'll be back in Austin. We're gonna lock in. Can't wait for the next vacation. Hopefully this whole thing comes out together because I was recording scarcely, but we gonna see. It was a blast for sure. Here's Mike's car. Play. I almost fell. This shit kind of hard. All right, guys, we picked up. We're getting out of here. W trip. We gonna do a whole recap. Dude, why did I do this again? This is what I did in Jamaica. I was recording this front like this while I'm talking, bro. Damn. Nah, bruh.